Can you live with knowing you never tasted McRib sauce? You have until November 20th to decide during the McRib Farewell Tour.
Have you heard? The McDonald's McRib Sandwich is back as of Halloween, October 31st, but for only a limited time, and it's gone forever, November 20th. So I better show you how to make it, but way better. Today we're going to be making McDonald's McRib Sandwich. Let's go. Okay, for these McRib patties, we're going to start with about a pound of boneless pork. Cut it into about 1-inch cubes. And get that into a food processor or blender. And into that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And then we're going to get that blended. Blend that in your food processor or blender until it's ground like ground pork. Then we're going to take about 1/4 of that meat mixture. We're going to form it into 4 patties. And you're just going to form that into about a 6x4 inch rectangle on a parchment lined pan. Then you want to get yourself a chopstick or similar device to put the little rib markings into the patty. Like that. Then we're going to get that in the freezer and freeze it for about an hour or 2. Let's get the delicious barbecue sauce for that McRib going. We got 3/4 cup of ketchup into a small saucepan. 2 tablespoons of molasses. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Tablespoon of brown sugar. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And our seasonings, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander in. Onto your hot griddle or cast iron skillet, we're going to get one of our frozen pork patties, and we're going to get that on the grill. And we're going to cook that 3 to 4 minutes per side until nicely browned. Now let's flip that over. Okay, let's get this McRib sandwich built. Let's start off by coating our now cooked pork patty with our homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. I'm going to use a brush. Get that all over. That is looking so good. Now let's flip that to the rib side. Get that sauce on there. Smells delicious. And we lift that up and put it on our toasted bun. Ooh, look at that. Now we're going to put on some of our pickle slices. And some chopped onion. How could they get rid of this delicious piece of McRib art? Now, top toasted bun on. And here it is. Doesn't that look just incredible? I can't wait to try this. Let's give it a try. Say goodbye to the McRib because we don't need you anymore, because this is way better anyways. I'm talking about Flava Flex McRib Sandwich. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!
I'm loving it.